Hey, I'm Teia Golden, and today we're going to take a walking tour around McCall. I'm going to show you all the walkable space in downtown McCall. So here we're at Legacy Park, and over there you've got the yacht club boat slips. They put this in, it's a splash pad for the kids in the summer. Also in the winter time, this is a really popular sledding hill when it's covered in snow. You can see Brundage Ski Resort across Payette Lake here. So at Legacy Park, in the summertime, you'll see families out here or people sitting groups of teenagers. This is where they like to hang out with towels, kind of hanging out, laying out in the sun and enjoying the beach. In the summertime, this is a volleyball. This is the Mile High Marina. It's a really popular place to hang out. It's only open in the summertime and then it shuts down for the season. This is there's just a few boat ramps in McCall. So this gets really crowded in the summer. People will sit at the Mile High Marina and they have numbers and you can actually score somebody's job of backing in their trailer and boat or pulling it out of the water. They're currently trying to get an additional 90 boat slips added. There's controversy about it because it could affect the water supply. This area, they rent out pontoon boats, jet skis. They also have yearly slip rentals for people that are local to store their boats. And this is our only marina that we have here on Payette Lake. Across from it, there is a public parking spot where people leave their boat trailers and things like that. On the other side of the marina, this is one of my favorite places to come because I can bring my dogs. It's a dedicated dog beach. They have a bin here that has any toys that people want to bring and drop off. They call it a dog library, where the dog can check out toys, play with them, and then you put them back whenever you're done. So that's the Glass House. It's a popular place to have weddings or events. Sometimes the Chamber of Commerce or local businesses will host events there. Now we're here at Brown Park. This is our largest outdoor playground that we have here in McCall. That's the bike station. They have them all around town and all along the bike trails. And so if you're out riding your bike and you have something that happens, the city has stations set up all through the town so that you can fix your bike. They did a great event out here off of this dock this past summer where they brought out one of the big trampolines that sits on the lake, and the kids could all wear life jackets, but they could get on the trampoline that was provided by a group that's here in McCall to host kid activities and fun things for teens to do. There were so many kids here that day. Everybody was out taking turns jumping on the trampoline, playing at the playground, and then the police department, I think, provided the food for that event. Next, we'll head downtown to Highway 55. So we're back here, we started in Legacy Park, and as you can see, it heads straight into downtown. A lot of restaurants within walking distance downtown. You've got the sushi bar, you've got Salmon River Brewery. Here you have a virtual golf set up, and they also serve drinks. So if you've got teens or something that want to let them play on the beach and come in and grab a drink, you can do that here at the virtual golf. And then next door to that, we've got Rupert's and Hotel McCall. And I want to talk about how there's like nobody out here, right? Like it's so peaceful. And this is our slowest, I guess, season or whatever you want to call it. You know, there's not a ton of people that live here year round, and then we don't get a lot of visitors for this time of year. So you can go easy to get in and out of restaurants, shops. I'm excited to see whatever's going to come in here on the corner. It used to be a diner, and it looks like they've put up some paper and maybe that they're going to change out businesses and bring something new in that spot. And here you've got Sasquatch. You want to get the kids some ice cream or sugar them up, and we've got a Mexican restaurant and then a brunch and breakfast place downstairs, and those both overlook the lake. So here in the summertime on Wednesday, the McCall Parks and Rec sets up a slip and slide. You can see that there's a slope, and it starts at the top up here where kids line up and they go all the way down to the lake on a huge slip and slide. Even in the summer, you've got the ice skating rink over here, and that's open year round. They have hockey games in the winter, but ice skating is a year round thing here in McCall. One of the questions that people ask a lot is like, tell me about the nightlife in McCall. And I mean, we have two bars. They're come from Florida where bars bars are open until 4 in the morning, and it's not even like that here. Like, I don't even know how late they stay open because I'm in bed by 10 for sure, but they definitely don't stay open super late. So probably midnight, I would think. Yacht Club and Foresters, that's our nightlife. We're on the other side of the street in downtown McCall. So we're just over there. Now we're over here. So through here, this is a popular place called Ice Cream Alley that's open in the summer. The kids earn quarters at school, and then they get a gift card at the end of the school year that goes towards an ice cream at Ice Cream Alley. So here you have Pilates, you have dance studios for kids if they want to take dance lessons, public parking lot across the street here, and several different restaurants and different places to shop in downtown. They mostly carry outdoor clothes or outdoor sporting equipment. We have a hardware store over here and a brewery. Again, another sporting goods place. At McCall Sports, they also carry used equipment and used jackets. So if you're visiting in from out of town, or if your kid grew really fast, you need the next size up, they carry used equipment or jackets, snow pants, things like that in there. This is the new library that's going in. It's going to be open at the end of this month. Some people, when they're moving to the area, they want to know if the bank they have back home is also going to be here in McCall, or if they should set up a new account. And so in town, we have US Bank, McCall Bank, and Washington Federal, WaFed Bank. The McCall City Center. So if you want to talk to planning and zoning or get building permits, things like that, that would be this building. The one with the blue roof over there is your Central District of Health building for the McCall area, where you can pick up your septic permits after you've turned in all your paperwork. So we've just cut through the parking lot behind the transit center, and we are back here. They have a mountain bike trail set up, but more for smaller kids who are just now learning to mountain bike. You can see there's like little jumps, there's a bridge set up. And then on the other side of this, the popular teenage hangout spot right behind the high school, and that's the skate park. So we'll check that out next. And there's the high school. And they have this soccer field area and the baseball area. Really popular for the deer to eat the fresh green grass in town. It's not open in the winter because usually this is full of snow. We have another bike station set up. Like I said, they're by all of the trails so that you can, what we call our green belt, through, so you can fix your bike. Mountain bike skills park. Now we're coming down into town from south to north, and this is one of the most popular views as you drive into downtown McCall, where you can see the lake, you can see the ski resort, and then whatever the sky looks that day. Today it's cloudy and overcast. So we're on the other side where you could see the restaurants from the bottom of the lake up. So now we're on the front side of Salmon River Brewery, which actually used to be the city train station. Then we have Whole House Pizza, got like a salad buffet pizza. We've got the sushi bar. Over here where all these cars are parked, right on the other side is the Ponderosa Center. There's going to be a large business center that's built there eventually, but currently it's where there are movies in the summer. They set up a big screen and watch different movies once a week. They have concerts on Tuesday nights where a band plays up on stage, and the town kind of just gathers, looks out over the lake and listens to the music. You can see it right now. There's the stage where they have the summertime concerts. If you continue down this path here, there is a bike walking trail that takes you all the way into the east side of town at Ponderosa State Park and Spring Mountain Ranch. If you want a tour of that community, maybe watch this video here, and it takes you all through Spring Mountain Ranch. So we just did a full walk around loop in the downtown city area of McCall. You can see it's very walkable or bikeable. I feel so lucky to live here. So whether you want to visit or live here, hopefully you've enjoyed this video and it's given you more information about McCall.